sorry, I didn't see you there. I was putting on my lip balm. Welcome back to StarrSoaps channel. How are you today? I'm doing good. My name's Crystal Starr, if you didn't know me, and I'm the Queen Soapy here at StarrSoaps. That's right, I'm the Queen, creator, I'm everything really. I make the products, I make the videos, I edit the videos, I sell the products, I put up the videos. That's right, from base ingredients to these beauties, today we're going to make lip balm. Now, I gotta say, lip balm is super popular. It's popular all year round. In the wintertime it's great because, you know, chapped lips from the cold wind. In the summertime it's great. Right now, super hot summer, burn, skin, you need your lip balm, girls. Now, if you're like me, you probably always have a lip balm on the go. And I'm sorry, I have sniffles. But especially now, when you've got the sniffles, you need to keep putting that lip balm on. You don't want your face to dry out. You don't want your lips to dry out. It's not attractive. So, today we're going to be making lip balms, and I'm going to be making them with this cool, extra special tool that I've never used before, and I will never make lip balm without again. What's that you say, Crystal? That's right, look at this amazing tool here. Come along with me, and I'll show you how I use it. Squee! So, here we are. We have lip balm tubes and little pots, and I also have a cute little mould with the shape of lips, and they're all laid out and they're ready for gorgeous StarrSoaps lip balm to fill them. Now I'm starting off by measuring out my ingredients, which I'm measuring straight into the little cup that comes with my little tool. Now my tool is, drumroll please, the chocolatier. That's right, that's what mine's called anyhow. So it's supposed to be used for melting chocolate. It came with a whole bunch of recipes for different chocolates you could make, but I do not plan to make chocolate with mine. No, mine is a lip balmatier, not a chocolatier. So anyhow, I'm using that little cup that comes with it. I've put that onto my scale, and then I've tarred it out, however you say that. So I've balanced out the weight so it's back to 0, and now I'm measuring out all my ingredients. We've got cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, a little tiny bit of lanolin, and I'm going to be adding into this lip balm something a little bit special. Now, I'm a huge fan of Soaping 101 and Teach, Miss Kathy McGuinness. I would not be here and I would not be doing this if it wasn't for her, and I love her, so huge shout outs for her. But I will say that a lip balm recipe she shared once upon a time caused me a few issues, and it was because I couldn't get honey to mix in with my oils. It just didn't want to blend up. The honey wanted to stay at the bottom and didn't want to mix through the oil. So I've inquired a few times from a few different people, and I've been told that you need a special kind of honey, and it has to be raw, unprocessed honey. So I went to a market nearby in a little town called Waitara, and I got some raw unprocessed honey, and I'm going to give it a go and try and get it to melt into my base oils. Every time that I have made lip balm in the past, I have used my jug and I have melted my ingredients in my microwave, and I always thought maybe that was why I was having trouble. Okay, so this sticky little thing you see me put in there was the lanolin. Lanolin comes from sheep, and it is so nice in the lip balm. It helps to make a slightly tacky lip balm that stays on your lips and doesn't just kind of rub straight off. So, sorry, I got distracted. You need a special kind of honey, and I think maybe this tool, this chocolatier, might be the other thing I was missing to help the honey to melt in. So, wish me luck. I do hope that it works and I end up with some beautiful honey lip balm. So I'm just giving the ingredients a bit of a mix here. Make sure that they're all very well incorporated and that everything is melting at about the same time. Obviously the beeswax is going to take much longer to melt than, say, the coconut oil, but if I mix it all like this, I do think it helps it all to melt evenly. So a bit of time has gone by and now we have all of our ingredients melted together and they look a beautiful amber colour thanks to that gorgeous beeswax. It is a raw beeswax and it smells so beautiful and so like honey that I really don't know why I keep trying to bother to add the honey. Because really the beeswax gives you that honey effect. I'm adding a couple of drops of a honey flavour oil as well, just to really ramp up that sweetness. Now the honey flavour oil doesn't actually taste sweet, it just smells sweet, so that when you lick your lips it doesn't taste good, and then hopefully you won't just lick it all off, right? That sort of defeats the purpose. So I'm pouring a little bit into some tins here because I had a request for a couple of tins. Somebody just preferred them over the tubes. And then I'm pouring all the rest into these lip balm tubes because they are by far my best selling lip balms. These ones in these tubes are so handy. You can throw it in your handbag or in your pocket and always have a bit of lip balm on hand. And I've had a lot of guys that have said to me initially, oh, I don't want lip balm, I don't wear lip balm, that's a girl thing. And then they've come back and they've actually ended up getting lip balms from me over and over again for themselves, because my lip balm doesn't have any colour, there's no glitter, it's just plain goodness, and I think that really appeals to everyone. So as you can see here, the honey is still left in the bottom, and that is a real shame. But hey, I'm not going to try and melt honey into my lip balm anymore. I'm just going to eat it on my toast for breakfast because it's delicious. Hey, thank you so much for hanging out with me today while I made lip balms, and I will be putting my lip balm recipe out for sale. I've had a private message from a lovely lady asking to purchase it, and I really do want to sell it, so I'm totally going to do that. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and please feel the soapy love. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, guys, there is that little thing of that giveaway going. I don't know if you remember, you know, the giveaway. That's right, open internationally. You can hook yourself up with some StarrSoaps goodies being sent to you all the way from New Zealand. And you know I'm going to include a bag of pineapple lumps because I just have to. And you also get to design your own Starr soap. So come on, you can't really argue with that now, can you? Hey, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!